In the world of business, particularly for freelancers, consultants, and small service-based companies, things don't always go exactly as planned. Sometimes you might need to offer a client a discount, rectify an overcharge, or simply provide a gesture of goodwill. This is where the concept of a credit comes into play. For users of FreshBooks, a popular and user-friendly accounting software, understanding how to create and apply these credits is a fundamental skill that ensures accurate financial records and maintains strong client relationships. As an accounting software expert, I often encounter questions about managing these less common, but equally important financial transactions. The good news is that FreshBooks makes creating and applying credits remarkably straightforward. It's designed to be intuitive, even for those without a deep accounting background. Let's break down the process step by step. What is a credit in FreshBooks? Before diving into the how, let's clarify the what. In FreshBooks, a credit is essentially a positive balance held by a client that can be applied to future invoices. It's not a refund in cash, but rather a reduction in the amount the client owes on a future or existing invoice. Think of it like a store credit. The client doesn't get cash back, but they have a prepaid amount they can use for future purchases. Credits are useful in various scenarios. Correcting overcharges. If you accidentally billed a client too much, a credit can rectify the error without issuing a separate refund payment. Customer service gestures. Offering a small credit for inconvenience or as a token of appreciation can significantly boost client loyalty. Prepayments/deposits. While FreshBooks also handles deposits directly, sometimes a client might overpay on an initial deposit, and the excess can be held as a credit. Discounts after invoicing. If you decide to offer a discount after an invoice has already been sent, a credit is a clean way to adjust the amount due. Step by step, creating a credit in FreshBooks. FreshBooks offers a few pathways to create a credit, but the most common and direct method is usually through the Invoices section. Method 1. Creating a credit note. This is the most formal and recommended way to issue a credit. A credit note is essentially a document that records the credit you're giving to a client, providing a clear audit trail. Navigate to Invoices. From your FreshBooks dashboard, click on Invoices in the left-hand navigation menu. Click New Credit Note. On the Invoices screen, look for the New Credit Note button. It's typically located in the top right corner, similar to where you'd find New Invoice. Select your client. Start by selecting the client to whom you want to issue the credit. You can search for an existing client or add a new one if necessary. Add credit details. Date. The date the credit is being issued. Credit note hashtag. FreshBooks will usually auto-generate a sequential credit note number, but you can edit it if needed. Items. This is where you specify why the credit is being given and for how much. Treat this section similarly to how you'd add items to an invoice. Click Add a line item. You can choose an existing item/service from your list or create a new one. For a general credit, you might simply type customer credit or goodwill adjustment. Enter the amount of the credit as a positive value. FreshBooks understands that this is a credit, so you don't need to use a negative sign here. You can add a description to explain the credit further to your client. Notes. Optional. Add any internal notes for your reference. Terms. Optional. Define any terms related to the credit. Save the credit note. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Save button. Once saved, the credit note is created, and the credit amount is now associated with that client's account in FreshBooks. Your client will typically receive an email notification about the credit note, allowing them to view it in their client portal. Applying the credit to an invoice. Now that you've created a credit, the next step is to apply it to an invoice. FreshBooks makes this process very intuitive. Open an existing invoice or create a new one. If you have an existing unpaid invoice for the client that you want to apply the credit to, navigate to that invoice from the Invoices section. If you're creating a new invoice for the client, go through the usual process of adding items and client details. Look for the Apply Credit option. On the invoice screen, you will typically see a section, often near the total or payment options, that indicates Available Credits or Apply Credit. FreshBooks automatically detects if the client has any outstanding credits. Click to apply. Click the Apply Credit button or link. FreshBooks will then allow you to apply the full credit amount or a partial amount if the credit is greater than the invoice total. Confirm application. Once you apply the credit, the invoice total will immediately update to reflect the reduction. The credit note will be marked as applied. Send/record payment. If the credit covers the full invoice, the invoice will become paid. If there's a remaining balance, your client can then pay the reduced amount. Other ways to handle credits. Less common for formal credits. While the credit note method is best practice, sometimes you might be making a quick adjustment directly to an invoice. Editing an existing invoice. For unpaid invoices, you can directly edit the line items and change quantities or rates to reflect a lower amount. This isn't technically a credit in the FreshBooks sense, but it achieves a similar outcome of reducing the amount owed. However, this doesn't leave a separate credit note record. Refunding an overpayment. If a client overpays on an invoice, FreshBooks will often show this as an overpayment or credit on their account. You then have the option to either refund the overpayment directly, which involves an actual money transfer, or apply it as a credit to a future invoice. This process is usually initiated from the payments section or directly from the invoice where the overpayment occurred.